Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove background noise in Audacity. So let's get started. First, open Audacity and import the audio file containing the background noise. Locate a section in the audio where only the background noise is present. This section will help Audacity identify and remove similar noise throughout the track. Now go to Effect, then Noise Reduction. You can click on Get Noise Profile to capture the noise sample you previously identified. Click on Noise Reduction and adjust the settings as needed. Click OK to apply the noise reduction effect. OK, playback the audio to review the change. If necessary, fine-tune the settings or reapply the effect for better results. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.